Who else wants to? Ho hum, there I was hearing about yet another course in this industry. Suddenly, everyone is an expert in this, and everyone seems to have something to share. Thing is, too many courses may as well have been stamped out in a cookie factory because they seem almost identical. I don't know about you, but for me, if I'm going to grab a new course, it needs to be more than a cookie-cutter version of the same stuff everyone else has. Heck, it has to do more than what I could do by simply visiting YouTube and learning for free. There's got to be some reason why I should grab it, otherwise I kinda shrug and say, what's the point? You know how you have a day, and you think it's going to be the same as every other day, and then suddenly something changes? That's kinda how I felt about this course. It just blew me away because it didn't just show me the usual, though it did that too. It also had some incredible ideas that I loved. Nuff said. Really, there is nothing more that needs to be said because this truly is remarkable. You need this. I know you do because I needed it, and I'm the better for having seen this. There are a few moments in life that define your life. This could well be one of them. Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.